Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Hope all are fine and studying at your home. Yes? Okay, children. So, children, today is Monday and we are going to study English. Okay? Today is Monday and we are going to study English. Okay? Now, in English, today we are going to do exercise in our Shrima English workbook. Okay? We are going to do exercise in our Shrima English workbook. Okay? Yes. So children, our today's topic is cross out the odd ones. Cross out the odd ones. Okay? Now children, how we will do cross out the odd ones? See, now I will teach you. See here. In this chart, there are some alphabets and numbers. Okay. So we are going to cross the cross the odd ones in this given chart. Okay. Say now. First one is A. Okay. Now what we will do? Now in this we will cross the odd ones. Okay. Which is not similar to A. Okay. So the alphabets given in front of A are A, N, A. Now tell me which one is odd here? A is similar to A is similar to A. Is N similar to A? No. So N is odd one and we have crossed out N. Okay. Now next is M. Okay. Now and the alphabets given are M, O, M, M. Now tell me which one is odd, M or O? Very good. O is odd one. So we have crossed out O. Okay. Now next number is 7. Okay. And the numbers given are 7, 6, 6, 6. Now tell me which one are odd? See, 7 is similar to 7. So 6 is odd. Here 6 is odd and 6 is odd. Okay. So our question was 7. So that's why we have not crossed out the 7 and 6 are the odd ones. So we have crossed out 6. Okay. Now in the last one it is 14 and the numbers given are 14, 14, 14 and 15. Now tell me which one is odd? Very good. 15 is odd. So we have crossed out 15. Okay, children. Now we are going to do this exercise in our Shrima workbook. And in your book, the exercise contains cross out the odd ones in alphabets and cross out the odd ones in numbers. Okay. So now shall we start? Yes. Okay, children. Now what we are going to do? We are going to cross out the odd ones. Okay. In our Shrima workbook. Okay. So now children, what we have to do? We have to cross the odd ones. Okay. Now the first is given N. Now the alphabets in front of N are N, U, N, N. Okay, now tell me which one is odd? Which is not similar to N? Yes, U. U is not similar to N. So what we are going to do? U is odd and so we have crossed the U. Okay. Now next is P and the alphabets given in front of P are P, 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 D. Now tell me which one is odd? Which one is odd? Yes, very good. D is odd. So we have crossed it. Now next is U. The alphabets are N, U, U, U. Tell me which one is odd? Very good, children. N is odd. So we have crossed it. Now next is A. And the alphabets are A, O, A. Now tell me which one is odd? Yes, O is odd. Very good, children. Now, the last one is L, 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 T. Tell me which one is odd. Yes, very good. T is odd. So, we have crossed T. Okay. Now, see. Again, the question is cross out the odd ones. In first one, alphabets are given. And now numbers, okay? Okay, children, now numbers are there. So now what we are going to do? We are going to cross the odd ones, okay? Now the first number given is 7, okay? And the numbers in front of 7 are 1, 7, 7, 7. Now tell me which one is odd? Very good, 1 is odd. So we have crossed it, okay? The next number is 4 and the numbers given are 4, 4, 4, 3. Tell me which one is odd? Yes, 3 is odd, so we have crossed it, okay? Now, the next is 2 and the numbers are 2, 2, 2 and 4. Which one is odd? Yes, 4 is odd. So what we have done? We have crossed 4. Very good, children. Next is 6. And the numbers given are 6, 9, 6, 6. Now tell me which one is odd? Very good. 9 is odd. So we have crossed out 9. Very good, children. Now the last is 15 and the numbers given are 15, 15, 15, 51. Now tell me which one is odd? Which one is odd? Yes, 51 is odd. So we have crossed out 51. Okay, children. So in our Shrima workbook, which exercise we have done? We have done cross out the odd ones. First we have done of alphabets and after alphabets we have done cross out the odd ones of numbers. Okay? Okay, children. Okay, children, we have done exercise cross out the odd ones in our English workbook. Yes, in English Shrima workbook, what we have done? Cross out the odd ones. So your today's homework is you all have to practice cross out the odd ones. Okay? Okay, children. Bye. Thank you. Sai Ram.